Want to save me. Encrusted in the face. Baby, not a doctor, but need patience. Sorry that I couldn't even say it. I got my own problems to deal with. I bet your last nigga wasn't lit like this.
Yo, we back with another Bandlab video, bro. Another one, bro. I appreciate y'all for showing love. My first video got 3.4, and now we at 1.2K in 1 month. On the previous one, I'm saying, my second one. I appreciate y'all showing love. A lot of niggas wanted to see my Bandlab account. I don't know why. I don't post nothing on there, but here you go, right here. You feel me? And you already know I gotta show my Instagram, bro. So what you looking at right now is my Instagram. I want y'all to go show some love. If you got any questions, just follow me and DM me. I will respond. I got you. If I didn't respond, just DM me again, bro. I'm gonna respond, bro. You feel me? But without further ado, let's get to the Bandlab tips, bro.
Don't get mad at the money and the fame. This remain all the same, and I hope you never change. Really, I just hope you never change. But
first on the list is good presets, bro. You have to have a good preset. I got 2 presets on my channel if you want to go check out, but you don't gotta get them from me. I'm not stingy, bro. And they be on TikTok and YouTube, but good presets, they are the most important. No, they are one of the most important things when it comes to making music on Bandlab, to have you sounding like you really do this shit. You know what I'm saying? You just looking at the presets on my screen right there. There's plenty of presets to go around, bro. Just pick one, dude.
I'm feeling hated the more that I show my love. I be hating on myself, trying to do better.
This is another big thing, bro. Your environment makes a big difference on your audio. I know a lot of y'all young, y'all got little brothers and sisters running around, but you gotta do something, man. You gotta go into that cover, you gotta go in that closet. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Anything to improve that audio quality and eliminate that echo. There's nothing worse than when you listen to a song and you can tell they recorded in their room, bro. That's why you gotta eliminate that echo.
Every hoe I fuck with say I'm different. I know that I'm tripping when I'm in it. I be thinking who been in it. You know you been on my mind.
Now this is very important too. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be hating on the Apple headphones, bro. Don't, bro. If you just starting off, these are the best headphones. You know what I'm saying? Also, Android headphones are good too. They sound about the same. You know what I'm saying? It's depending on what device you're using, honestly. But really, bro, a lot of people saying, oh, just get a mic, bro. If you just starting off, you don't need a mic, bro. I made all them songs in the transition off an Apple headphone mic on Bandlab. But it's really the most important thing when dealing with these type of mics. You gotta know how to use it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta know how to use it. You gotta have the mic a kind of like far away from your face. You gotta be in a good environment so people don't know that you in a room. You gotta eliminate the echo. You gotta talk it to the mic straight up. You know what I'm saying? It's all it's really about, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta do all the extra shit. But they gonna convince you that you do. But nah, you don't.
Don't do no running. She just wanna be my best friend. Can't be your buddy. How you tryna second fucking nigga? Still not your hubby. She be acting like she innocent, but she be fucking
Voice control is also very important. It's about learning your voice and knowing how to use your voice. A lot of niggas come on here and just think it's easy. Bro, you have to practice, bro. Everything you want to do and be successful at, you have to practice. You can't just do this shit first day. Like, come on, bro. It takes practice to become better. I promise you, my first song is nothing like my latest song. I practice and got better every single day. It's no cheating this shit.
Crazy with my baddest bitch, had too much in my cup. Preaching about that life shit, but I do not give a fuck. I ain't gon' lie, I'm fighting Moses when this shit be getting tough. Looking up into the sky like that.
This is where some niggas lost. I ain't gonna lie. This ain't gonna apply to everybody. If you wanna improve in Bandlab, you gotta have talent, my boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Some of y'all niggas lost. Some of y'all niggas don't have no talent. Y'all hear them transition songs and that intro song? That's me. But I didn't just look up some videos. I practice and I have something called talent. Some of y'all niggas don't have talent. That's completely fine. I just still feel like everybody should have an opportunity to make music. You feel me? I don't knock anybody for trying to get better at music. I love it. This is a lovely hobby, and I love making music. I feel like everybody should too. Well, there y'all boys go, man. That's my top 5 for Bandlab, man. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe too if you want to see more. Y'all boys don't be commenting and telling me what's up. Y'all need to comment. I'm saying, hit my IG on the screen. Anyone who follow my IG and DM me or whatever, I appreciate it. But all the weirdos do not DM me, my boy. I'm not gonna respond back. I'm dead ass. You feel me? I'm not playing. Since you here, please tap in with the YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share. You feel me? Just click that red button. You dig? Turn it gray. You feel me? I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Let's run it up. I'm trying to drop more videos more frequently, but we gonna see. I appreciate everybody that came to my channel and watched. Thank you. I got more videos coming soon. We out of here.
Ain't crested in the face. Baby, not a doctor, but need patience. Sorry that I couldn't even say